You don't know where to start, don't have clients, don't have the budget to run an advertising campaign. A piece of advice I've heard from someone: start doing it. Walk your neighborhood for 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, 5 months, and you will see the results. Do 4 open houses a week. None of this costs you any money, just your time, which you have plenty of at that point. Learn. Self-explanatory. You learn from one call and implement the knowledge on the next call. Learn from others how they do the same task. Understand. Everything will be clear when you become proficient at what you do. Once someone told me, to get good at cold calling, you have to do one thing: just do 10,000 calls and it will be like walk in the park, create. This is the final step. Once you become proficient and your business runs like a well-oiled machine, you can take it to the next level, refine, automate, scale, and your business will skyrocket. Start doing, don't wait, don't get paralysis by analysis. Good luck.